Amazon's Fire HD8 with 32 GB of internal storage has a discount of $59 as part of the Gold Box agreement. This is a great opportunity to get hooked if you missed out on Prime Day, which saw the 16 GB option for $49. The cheap tablets that are recommended are a rarity, but Amazon tablets impress with their price, even when they are not for sale. This Fire HD8 will not compete with the power or the selection of applications of the latest iPad, or it will be as versatile as the Surface Go, but the screen of this device is decent for the price, and is the most suitable for those entangled in the offer of Amazon services. Due to its low price, Amazon tablets are often recommended for children, but there are also many for adults to enjoy. All the usual entertainment applications are available, such as Hulu, Netflix, Twitch and, of course, Amazon's Prime Video, among others. There are also games, although here you will not find Google Play Store and, as such, the great selection of new applications and games is a world that is closed to Amazon tablets.